Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to rename a layer in Photoshop. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To rename a layer, all you need to do is first find the layer you want to rename in the layers panel in the bottom right. Double click on the name of this layer and then you should be able to type in the new name you want. Click out of this to save the new name for the layer. And so that is how to rename a layer in Photoshop. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.